Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change WhatsApp background or chat wallpaper. In order to do that, first of all, launch the WhatsApp app open on your phone. And then from the main chat screen, go ahead and tap on the settings button at the bottom right corner. Inside the settings menu, tap on chats. Now, click on default chat theme at the top. You will see multiple options. Go ahead and tap on wallpapers at the bottom of the screen. Choose a wallpaper that you'd like to use for your chat screen and then tap on set. Click on set wallpaper and now get back to your chat screen. Open up a conversation and there you have successfully changed the WhatsApp background or chat wallpaper. This will change the wallpaper for all of your chats and not just for one chat. If you want to change the wallpaper for a specific chat, open up the chat first and then tap on the contact's profile picture at the top. From the menu, scroll down and tap on chat theme. Now choose a different wallpaper, chat color, or themes available from the menu. Click on set at the top right. You can also go ahead and choose from the previous screen, explore through other wallpapers available, and tap on set at the top right. Click on set theme and that way you will be able to change the theme or wallpaper in a specific chat. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.